Hello everyone. On this video, I will introduce to you how to handle raster data. Open your QGIS and go to your browser. On this case, we will learn using global population data. Data is come from European Commission's GSSL Global Human Settlement Layer. To download, you may go to this website. Scroll down slowly. Select for your 2020, resolution 100 meters. And for the coordinate system, we will select more weight and click on this download link. The size of this data is quite big. It is around 4 gigabytes. So please make sure you have a good internet connections and enough space available within your computer. The next raster data we will use is nighttime data. You may go to this address, then select data with 1.9 gigabyte size, this one. This data comes from Colorado School of Mines. And the last one is we will use PM 2.5 data. The data comes from Socioeconomic Data and Application Center, SEDAC, and select 2019, okay, 2019. However, please make sure you already registered before download the data. And additionally, you may download administrative level 1 data from Natural Earth. You may go to Natural Earth data, select downloads, go to large scale data, 1 to 10 meter, click on cultural, scroll down slowly, and find administrative level 1. This is for states or provinces, and click download state and provinces. It's only 14.22 megabytes. Okay. If all data already downloaded, it will come in zip file. So you have to unzip your file first before open using QGIS. Then go to your browser panel. If your browser panel is unavailable like this, you may go to empty space, right click and select browser panel. Okay, as well as if your layers panel disappears, you may go to here and activate your layer panels. Okay. So there are multiple ways to open raster data. The first way is you may go to layer, add layer and add raster layer and browse for your data. Okay. The second way is you go to browser panel, go to your folder. In this case, I put my data into downloads folder. And this is unzip folder for population. So you may see here, this is the zip folder, and this is the unzip one. Make sure the icon is different, okay? And then click on this drop down row and select your population, just double click. Okay, this is your population data. Next, you may also open your PM 2.5. Okay, this one. And the last one is nighttime data. This one. Okay. And if you want to minimize, you might collapse all like this. Okay. How to change the visualizations? Still pseudo color or black and white, grayscale. Just double click, select and double click on your layer. The layer properties windows will open. Go to symbology. For the render type, change from single band gray to single band pseudo color. For the color RAM, you may change any color. Okay. And then just apply to visualize your data. Okay. If still black and white like this, you may change the minimum and maximum values settings, select cumulative count and click apply. Okay, now it's become better, okay, for population. Click OK if you are satisfied. So you may see here the population of India and China is two highest countries with the high population in the world at present. Now you may go to PM 2.5, do the same things, double click, change the render type to pseudo color. For this case, we will change to spectral, for example, and we may invert the colors. So the highest PM 2.5 will be visualized in red colors. Okay, for preview, just click play. Okay, like this, India and Mongolia and some part of Central Africa has very high PM 2.5 on year 2019. If you satisfy, you can click OK. And the last one is for nighttime, like this. Do the same way, double click on your layer, select single band pseudo color in render type, change the color ramp. Okay, for instance, this is, we choose magma, and then apply. Okay, like this. You may also change the minimum maximum value setting. Okay, like this. And click OK. And these black colors means a cloud cover. Okay, cloud cover. Now open your vector data. We already downloaded level 1 administrative states province boundary. This is unzip folder. Then check the icon. You see this icon, point, line, and polygon. This icon means your data is in vector formats. Okay, just double click. Then your data will appear like this. Next, you may change into the transparency level. Double click your vector layer. Click on simple fill. Change the solid to no brush and click apply to visualize your vector data like this. If you want to change the stroke color, for example, in this case, I want to change into gray. Okay, like this, I just change the transparency level, click apply. Or if you want to change to white color to make it contrast with your data, okay, like this, click OK. Then let's zoom to India, for example. Okay, so this is India nighttime, India PM 2.5, and India populations. Now we want to clip the data. We do some basic geoprocessing. We want to clip, for example, PM 2.5 based on India administrative boundary. So first thing you have to do is you open the attribute table and select features using an expression. Go to field and values, scroll down slowly, check the name. Is there any India in the name? Okay, not the name. First, to make sure, you go back to your attribute table and check what is the name, because this is level 1. The name should be province level, so we go to countries level. Okay, admin. You go to admin column. Okay, open again. Go to field and values. Go to admin. In values, just type India. Click all unique. Okay, no, it's already available. So in expression, we input admin equal India. These expressions means within the column of admin, select only India. Okay, select the features, close it, and move selection to top. Okay, like this. Already selected. We may close this one. Already selected. Then we go to raster, extraction, and clip raster by mask layer. We will use selected in the as mask layer. Here, we make sure we selected features only. Input layer is PM 2.5. You may go down and save your file into your folder. Save to file, PM5 underscore India. Do not use space. Okay, when you are working with QGIS, make sure never use space. Click save and run. Okay, close, and this is the result. May uncheck the others layers. Then same thing, we do the same thing. We change the visualization, change the render type into single band pseudo color, and apply like this. If you want to change the color range, you may change, for example, to spectral, and you invert the color to make it more intuitive. So the highest PM 2.5 will be visualized in red color, like this. You may also change the transparency level, go to transparency and set to 50%. Preview, okay. Then you may add a background of your map. Go to quick map surfaces icon, go to Google and select Google Road. Okay, and this is your final map. Do the same thing for nighttime and for population. Then you may compare your map. If you're satisfied with your visualizations, you may go to project, export, and export to image. Okay, however, please make sure you put the information about this map. Yeah, okay, you go to view, decoration, at the title label, enable the title label. This is PM 2.5 map of India. Oh, yeah, 2019. Okay, change the font size into 50, and then font style, you want to just phosphate, for example, and just click OK. You may preview the result like this. If you want to change the background color to, you may select the color like this. Okay, and at the scale, view, decoration, scale bar, enable scale bar. For the placement, put on the bottom right, just apply for preview, change into tick up. You want to change the font, select the T. Okay, like this. And finally, you may export your maps. Go to project, import or export map to image like this, and copy to clipboard. Okay, open your PowerPoint, for example, and just pass your maps like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you.